Welcome to Section 3, Model-Driven Apps Advanced Topics. Section 3.1, Quick Create Forms. In this video, we're going to verify that the lead entity is configured to allow Quick Create. We're going to create a Quick Create form for the lead entity. We're going to test the Quick Create form and demonstrate how to access the Quick Create form from the Quick Create menu. Let's get started creating a Quick Create form for our lead entity. At make.powerapps.com, we're going to go down to Solutions, select the Sales App solution, and select Edit. Inside of our Sales App solution, we're going to locate the lead entity and select Edit again. And the first step in creating a Quick Create form is to make sure that our entity has Quick Create forms enabled for it. In order to do that, we're going to click Settings at the top, and then down below in More Settings, we're going to select Create and Update Settings and make sure that the Enable Quick Create Forms is checked. Once that's done, we can then create a Quick Create form for the lead entity by selecting Forms at the top, and then selecting Add Form, and then selecting Quick Create Form. The form designer for the Quick Create form will look a little bit different than the form designer for a regular form. Quick Create forms are collapsed and expand out of the side from the app, and for that reason, they're constrained vertically. By default, they start with 3 sections. These are the only 3 sections available for the Quick Create form. And to create our lead, we're going to simply just edit the first section, and we're going to add topic. Once topic's been added, we're going to hide the section label and the other 2 sections. Once this is completed, we can then save and publish our Quick Create form. Now that the Quick Create form has been published, let's see how it behaves inside of our app. Back to make.powerapps.com, on our Sales app, we're going to select Play. This will open up our Sales app. And from the top, we're going to select a new record, and we'll add a new lead. And we'll see from the right that there's a single field for us to fill out. We don't have to fill out all the other required or all the other information on our lead, only what we placed on the Quick Create form. So if I want, I can add a test lead, hit Save and Close. And if I wanted to view and add more information, I could click View Record here, or I could just add another lead. Lead number 2. Save and Close. I can add another lead. Lead number 3. Save and Close. And if I go check the leads, all 3 of those leads exist. And what this allows is to quickly enter in information. So if I'm a sales rep and I just came back from a trade show or a networking event and I had a dozen leads or a few dozen leads that I wanted to enter in the system really quick with some downtime, maybe back at my hotel, I could quickly do that without having to fill in the entire lead form. And so this is a really good way to enable the system for the users to quickly create records. You'll notice that the Quick Create form doesn't appear if I'm on the leads record and I hit New. This takes me to the actual leads form with all the required information. But if I select New Record at the top and go to Add a Lead, this will allow me to enter a lead using the Quick Create form. Let's recap the video. Entities must be enabled for Quick Create in order to create Quick Create forms for them. If the Quick Create form choice is disabled inside the Solution Manager, it is probably because the entity is not enabled for Quick Create. Quick Create forms are constrained vertically in the form editor and will appear different than a standard form. Quick Create forms are limited to 3 sections. You can allow users to omit required fields by using Quick Create forms. Quick Create forms appear when creating a record from the Quick Create menu, from a lookup control, or from a subgrid on a related entity. The default entity form will appear instead of the Quick Create form when creating a record from the entity's location within the app.